Hi guys, today I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is from a Korean brand. I think this is from Stylovana platform or Bazal platform. I can't remember, but they sent me 3 lip products. Okay, so these shades I did choose. It was hard. There was a bunch of shades. I couldn't decide. So I hope they send me the ones that I chose. If not, then I guess oh well. So the first shade, I think this one I did choose, is in the shade Autumn Delight, and this is the Doton Lip Plus Keybo lip. Is it a gloss kind of? So liquid lipstick kind of, is a colorful lip. So it's kind of like a pinkish reddish shade. So it's, I think, one of the darkest shades they had, because they look very sheer, the lightest shades. So I was like, I didn't want to risk it not appearing on my lids. So I got this shade. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks. It looks very pretty. I like it. So I've been seeing people on Instagram unboxing. Ooh, it has a strong scent. Well, it's like sweet with something else, chemical, with mint, peppermint. It smells very different. I haven't smelled this in like this. Yeah, kind of. It's like mint with sweet and chemical. It doesn't smell bad. It smells nice. So this is the shade. It's very pretty. It's very graceful. Wow, it's like you see, it's kind of glossy but very pigmented. This next shade, oh, it's the Cherry 8. Okay, this looks more red, which this looks pretty good. Cool, pretty. Okay, so I kind of wish I would have gotten like a super peach light nude shade, because these are looking darker. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. So this is how it looks. It looks similar but not quite. It's like similar but not quite. It's like a different, it's like a lavender lilac shade, but you see this is more darker red and pink. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, the one looks different too. What? Okay, you see, this one's more red. It's pretty. Okay, it's basically the same formula. It smells the same. This smeared. So this you have to reapply and be careful. You can't eat with this. It looks like, look, it's gonna bleed right through. It's messy, but I think I love the shade. Okay, so the last shade looks, oops, it has hair. It's clear, brain glass, but this is a different shade. Look, it's kind of similar, the packaging, but they're all different shades. Okay, so yeah, you see, it's the same. This is just clear. It's in the shade Master. Kind of weird, but yeah, it smells the same. The one is different. All of the ones are different, I'm noticing. So yeah, this is clear, literally clear. I don't need more clear gloss. I already have my Kaja Beauty clear gloss, so I wish it was color. But these are all the swatches. They're very nice. The formula feels okay. This one feels sticky, maybe because I barely put it on. They all smell the same. They all look the same. It's just kind of runny, not runny, but be careful if you use it. So right now I have the Dior lip balm, so let me. Ooh, it's so bright. It's kind of tingling. I don't know why. it looks different on me. It looks more peachy. I don't know, it doesn't look so bright like this. It looks pretty. It looks like a spring summer lip gloss, so I don't like it. It's nice, I guess. It doesn't feel tingly anymore, but just the first seconds, I don't think my lips are gonna burn or anything anymore. But you see, it's very pretty. It's nice. Okay, so I wanna swatch the red one now. The red one. Let's see. Is this the red? No, I just used this. Oops. It's so pretty. Okay, now it's tingling more. And I went over the line, but you see it looks lighter than here. My lips are burning. I'm kind of getting nervous. But I don't really see a lot of lip plumping action, but it's burning. It's not dark like the bottle shows. Dang, I kind of feel it in my tongue too. It's weird. I don't like the tingling effect. So. The clear, I don't think I'm gonna swatch it. It's just clear. My lips they're still tingling.
Where does it put them?
Back to back. But I don't think I'm having an allergic reaction. It's just still tingling. And I feel it on the roof of my mouth too. And then side kinda. It's weird. That hasn't happened before. I don't know what chemicals they put here. It doesn't have any ingredients. And here, they didn't send me a paper. They have 16 colors. So you see, it was kind of hard to pick. And it is from Basel. It says here. They're kind of tingling and burning. I like the shade, but I don't like the effects it gives. I just thought it was a regular lip gloss. And just a punch of air. So in this video, I'm just gonna end it here. I'm gonna have to do an update if my lips have a bad reaction. So yeah. Okay, so damn, I still feel it. So just keep in mind, if you try these lip products, the tingling effect is still on. It's obviously lowered, but I still feel it. It's so strange. Anyways, okay, bye. Thank you, Keybo US and Basel, for sending me these. They are pretty, not gonna lie. They're nice, and thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.